Hi, my name is Morista Ramakustia. I'm from grade 7 SMP 1 Wonokiri. I'm 12 years old, but I'm turning 13 this year in 28th August. My favorite food is fried rice and my favorite drink is Coca-Cola. My hobby is to paint, to draw, and I also love to read books. I have one sister, her name is Andrea Kalyana. She's in grade 9, also from SMP 1 Wonokiri. My dad worked as a banker in Wonokiri and my mom also works in Wonokiri as a batik seller. Now, this is my cell number, 082134918595. Call me, okay? I think that's all for today. Thank you. I also have a good friend. His name is Fahri. Don't you want to know about him? Come here, Fahri.
Hello, Morista.
Hi, Fahri.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Fahri Al-Kifari. I was born at 28th of March at 2011. Now I'm 12 years old. I'm a student of SMP 1 Wonokiri and I'm studying at grade 7B. My favorite food is fried chicken with rice and sambal, and my favorite drink is orange juice. My hobby is cycling, and my dad worked at Kiriboyo and my mom worked at Bapeda on Wonokiri. I have one little brother named Faros. He studied at elementary school at SD1 Wonokiri. This is all for today. Thank you.